Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will tell you how to remove viruses from your Android phone without any antivirus help. So, first step is press and hold the power button and tap the hold power off until the safe mode option appear. Tap OK. In safe mode, your phone runs only system app, not third party app will run. The second step is go to your mobile setting and then click on the security and privacy. Now scroll down and go to the more security setting. Now click on the admin apps. Disable admin rights from the suspicious app. Now try uninstalling app again. The next solution is go to the setting and click on the apps. Now click on the suspicious app and click on the storage and clear cache and storage ones. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is again go to the setting. Now click on the system and then click on the reset option and erase all the data. So by this way you can remove the viruses from your Android phone. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.